In this episode we build an environment and set up a camera that follows the player around. Let's build the game environment. For this, we will use tiles. Click on level 1, then right-click. Then click on Add Child Node, and search for Tile Map, and double-click on it. Go to Inspector, at Tile Set, click on the little arrow, then on New Tile Set. Now, click on Tile Set, here. Click on this plus sign. Click on your image. Then, click on Open. Enlarge the lower part of the tile set, like this. Now, click on New Single Tile. Click on this sign now to enable Snap and Show Grid. Now, click and drag with the mouse on your image to determine how big your tile should be. Like this. Click on Collision, then here, on New Rectangle. Now, click and drag with the mouse on your image again to determine how big your collision shape should be. Now, at Scene, left-click on Tile Map. Go to Inspector, click again on Tile Set, on the small arrow, then click on Save. If you want, you can name your tile here, then click on Save. If we now keep the left mouse button pressed, we can draw our game environment. Corrections can be made by holding down the right mouse button and moving over the drawn tile again. Draw your game environment now. Be careful not to touch the player, coins, or the enemy with the tiles, because, when you launch the program, this could lead to problems. After you have drawn your game environment, start the program. We cannot follow the player when he moves out of the field of view. This is because we do not have a camera. Let's add a camera now. Click on level 1, then right-click and click on Add Child Node. Search for Camera 2D and double-click on it. Go to Inspector and turn on Current function. Start the program. As you can see, the camera still does not follow the player. The camera is located here, at coordinates x0 and y0. And this is the field of view of the camera. To be able to follow the player with the camera, we have to do 2 steps. First, position the camera on the player. To make it more accurate, activate Smart Snap, here. Now, click on the small cross, at the coordinates x0 and y0 and drag your camera to the center of the player. When this red cross appears, you are exactly on the position of the player. Now, we need to move the camera in the player's folder, so that the camera can follow the player, like this. Start the program. The camera now follows our player, but as you can see, the camera goes beyond our game field. To avoid this, we need to set limits for the camera. Click on Camera, go to Inspector, and click on Editor. Now, turn on the Draw Limits function. With Draw Limits, we can see where the camera boundary is. Now click on Limit. Here, we can set our limits. The default values are much too big. Let's make the values smaller, so we can see our limits. Type at left, -100, top, -100, right, +100, bottom, +100, and press Enter. This yellow square is our camera border. Set the border by clicking with the mouse on the field of left and moving the mouse with pressed mouse button. Do the same with top, right, and bottom. Like this. Start the program. Perfect. By the way, if you can't get through with your player in some places, because the player is too big, like here, you can change the size of the player. Click on Player, then go to Scale Mode, and scale down the player. Then go back to Select Mode. If you want to change the color of your tiles, then click on Tile Map, go to Inspector, then click on Visibility. Now, click on the color field of Modulate, and choose a color. Start the program. Wonderful. That's it for today. Goodbye.